In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Steam on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is open a browser. You can use Safari or Chrome, it does not make a difference. And then look up Steam. It's this one here, store.steampowered.com. Click this green button up here that says Install Steam. And then this blue button here, Install Steam. It'll be in your Downloads tabs up here. This is the same as Safari, it'll be up in your top right. Click on the document and then drag Steam into your applications. All right, now you've installed Steam, go to your Launchpad, Games, open Steam. Once it loads, this window will pop up. You can now sign into your Steam, or you can create an account down here if you haven't done so already. And once you log in, you'll be greeted with this home screen here. Thank you for watching the video. Consider liking and subscribing.